Welcome back to Maths with Miss Buick. In this question we've got a log equation and we're asked to find a value for x. So we begin by looking at the equation and seeing can we apply any log rules. And we see we've got a 2 here in the front. So that 2 can go above here as a power, so it'll now be x squared. So we have log base 3x squared minus log base 3 18 take away x and equal it to 1. We can see now that we've got 2 logs and they're being taken away, so we're going to use the log rule of division here. I also have a video explaining log rules if you would like to have a look at that. It might verify the different types of log rules that we use in maths. And we get this now. So we're now going to think about this, which is another log rule. So log base a yx is equivalent to a to the x equals y. That there is an equation which is in the log tables, so please make sure to know that it is there and use it. We're going to apply this now over here. So we can see R3 is our a as in over here, which is now down here. So we have 3. Next of all, we have a y here, which is equal to y over here. And we also have it equal to x, and that is our power. So this one is our x, and it's going to be our power. And we have an equal sign, and then we equal it to y. And y is, in our case, it's the bracket. So we've got x squared over 18 take away x. I'm also going to put this over 1 here to make it look like a fraction, and when we have fractions we can cross multiply. So now we have 3 bracket 18 take away x is equal to x squared. That is an algebra equation, and we're going to multiply in now. So we have 54 take away 3x is equal to x squared. We now have a quadratic, and we're going to simplify that by moving everything over to the one side. So we have x squared. When we bring over the negative 3x across, it comes to be a plus 3x. And when we bring over the 54 across, it becomes a negative 54x. Equal it to 0. We now open up 2 brackets. We put an x in one and an x in the other to represent our x squared. And we say to ourselves, can we think of any 2 numbers that multiply to give negative 54, but the same 2 numbers add to give plus 3? That will be 9 and minus 6. 9 by minus 6 is minus 54, but 9 minus 6 is plus 3. Equal them both now to 0. And we get x is equal to minus 9 and x is equal to 6. Because we have 2 values for x, we need to go back now and check to see are they both valid. So we'll start off up here with our x. If we put in a negative minus 9 into that x up there, we get 2 log base 3 negative 9. But we cannot have a negative log. So this means straight away that this one is out. Not true. Let's verify the 6. So we're going to put a 6 up there. So then we'll have 2 log base 3 6, which is perfect. And then over here we'll have 18 take away 6, which is 12. So they're both positives. So this x is positive, and so will that be positive as well. So this one is true. So x is equal to 6.